The Mikoyan MiG-31 Foxhound stands as one of Russia's most powerful and specialized aircraft, designed not as a dogfighter but as a long-range heavy interceptor to protect vast territories. Developed in the late 1970s and entering service in 1981, it was built to replace the MiG-25 Foxbat, offering far greater capabilities in speed, radar, and weapons. The Foxhound's primary mission has always been to intercept strategic bombers, reconnaissance aircraft, and even cruise missiles before they could threaten Russian airspace. With its massive twin engines, the MiG-31 can reach speeds up to Mach 2.8 and cruise supersonically for long periods, something few fighters in the world can match. It can fly at altitudes over 20 kilometers, giving it an edge in spotting and engaging high-flying intruders. One of its most remarkable features is the Zaslon Phased Array Radar, the first radar of its kind installed on a fighter jet. This advanced system allows the MiG-31 to track up to 10 targets at once and engage several simultaneously, making it a true hunter of the skies. Armed with long-range R-33 missiles, often compared to the American AIM-54 Phoenix, the Foxhound can strike targets more than 100 kilometers away. Modernized variants like the MiG-31BM have introduced advanced avionics, precision-guided weapons, and improved data sharing systems, enabling it to engage modern stealth aircraft and hypersonic threats. Even decades after its introduction, the MiG-31 remains irreplaceable in Russia's air defense strategy. Its sheer speed, range, and intercepting power make it a unique aircraft that no other nation has fully replicated. The Foxhound continues to serve as both a symbol of Soviet engineering and a vital shield in modern Russian skies, proving that some designs are simply ahead of their time.